Thinking about canceling your Apple developer account to stop paying the annual fee? Before you do, it's important to understand what actually happens to your existing apps, whether they get pulled, and the right way to manage your subscription. In this video, we'll cover 6 things you must know first: what canceling actually means, the status of your existing apps, your account and data, how to come back if you change your mind, enterprise account rules, and a pre-cancellation checklist. First, the truth. The Apple Developer Program is an auto-renewable subscription, meaning there is no instant delete button. You can turn off auto-renew to let your membership end at its expiration date, or contact Apple Developer Support for immediate case-by-case termination. What happens to your apps? When your membership expires, distribution stops. You won't be able to submit new apps or updates, and you lose access to certificates and profiles. However, apps already installed on users' devices keep working perfectly. Don't panic about your account data. Canceling doesn't delete your Apple ID, and you can reactivate it at any time. Certain developer resources remain, though test devices are removed 180 days after expiry. Be sure to export analytics, reports, and keys before your access officially ends. If you change your mind, canceling isn't permanent. You can resubscribe within 1 year of your expiration date without needing to resubmit your apps. Free apps return within 24 hours of renewing, while paid apps return once you re-accept the paid applications agreement. For enterprise accounts, the rules differ. Software is no longer downloadable, but already downloaded apps run for 90 days as long as certificates remain valid. Before you cancel, transfer any apps to a new account, manage your team, and export all your important reports. The bottom line is that your app doesn't disappear when you cancel. You just lose the ability to ship new updates while inactive. Are you keeping your account or canceling it? Let me know in the comments.